So in our previous video, we covered the processor extensively, along with the RAM and a few other details. But now, thanks to the latest set of leaks and promo images, we have a much clearer picture of what the Pixel Watch 5 is bringing to the table. Let's start with the hardware, and then we'll move on to the software. Previously, the Google Play console identified the watch's underlying SoC as the SW5100. We told you Google was likely sticking with the Snapdragon W5 Gen 2 with only minor changes, and that's exactly what these latest leaks suggest. The processor is now being referred to as the Snapdragon W5 Gen 2 Accelerated. While Google and Qualcomm haven't officially explained what accelerated means yet, it appears to be a faster or more optimized version of the same. Google has been following the same strategy for the past few generations, squeezing more performance and efficiency out of the hardware instead of moving to a brand new platform. The Pixel Watch 5 is also reportedly getting 3 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, doubling the storage from 32 GB on the previous generation. That should provide more room for offline music, apps, watch faces, and future Wear OS features. As far as the current information goes, the display is expected to remain exactly the same. The leaked specifications also list the familiar set of sensors, including heart rate, SpO2, skin temperature, ECG, continuous electrodermal activity, GPS, NFC, and ultra-wideband, suggesting Google isn't introducing any new sensor hardware this year. LTE will once again be available as an optional upgrade. Satellite SOS is also returning on the Pixel Watch 5. Since Google already introduced it with the Pixel Watch 4 LTE, this isn't a new feature, just one that's carrying over to the new model. The leak also mentions a second generation active band. While it looks very similar to the current version, Google has reportedly updated the materials to make it more comfortable for all-day wear, especially for users who keep the watch on throughout the day and while sleeping. On the health side, don't expect a major overhaul. Google appears to be focusing on refining existing features. The promotional material highlights more accurate sleep tracking and also confirms the return of loss of pulse detection, allowing the watch to automatically contact emergency services if it detects that the wearer's heart has stopped beating. Battery life also appears to remain unchanged. According to the leaked specifications, the 41mm model is still rated for up to 30 hours, while the larger 45mm version is expected to last up to 40 hours. Google is also heavily promoting Gemini-powered features, although many of those are expected to make their way to the Pixel Watch 4 once it receives the Wear OS 7 update. Overall, the Pixel Watch 5 looks more like a refinement with a more optimized processor, increased RAM and storage, refinements to health tracking, and a handful of quality-of-life improvements rather than introducing groundbreaking new hardware. If you're already using a Pixel Watch 4, this probably isn't shaping up to be a must-upgrade generation, unless you specifically want the extra RAM, doubled storage, or whatever improvements the new accelerated chipset brings. You're unlikely to miss out on much, especially since several software features are expected to arrive on the Pixel Watch 4 through Wear OS 7, and that's made even more significant by the expected price increase. Current leaks suggest Google will raise prices by $50 across the entire Pixel Watch 5 lineup compared to the Pixel Watch 4, making the decision to upgrade even harder for existing owners. With that said, we end our video. Thanks for watching. Peace.